Everyone says AI is replacing writers, but here's the real question. Which AI actually writes better? We have tested both the tools with 7 real tests. Let's see who is the best. Viral hook generation. Generate 5 viral YouTube hooks for a video about smartphone addiction. Make them curiosity-driven and emotional. ChatGPT focused heavily on retention psychology. The hooks were sharper, curiosity-driven, and optimized to keep viewers watching longer. Claude created hooks that felt cinematic, emotional, and deeply human. The lines carried a strong atmosphere and storytelling energy. Viral hooks to ChatGPT, emotional hooks to Claude. Winner, ChatGPT. AI image prompt creation. Create a cinematic AI image prompt for a futuristic European city during rain at night with neon lights and flying vehicles. ChatGPT created a highly structured and detailed prompt. It clearly understood the scene, lighting, environment. Claude focused more on atmosphere and storytelling. The prompt felt emotional, cinematic, and immersive. Now generate the image from the result prompt. ChatGPT understood the prompt and generated the image, but Claude was not able to generate the images. So the winner is ChatGPT. Startup Pitch Challenge. Pitch an AI startup idea to investors in under 60 seconds. ChatGPT delivered a sharp, structured, investor-ready pitch with a clear vision, business model, and scalability. Claude's response felt incomplete, with minimal details and unnecessary HTML formatting instead of a compelling presentation. So, the winner is ChatGPT. Social media caption writing. Write an Instagram caption about discipline that sounds powerful and motivational without sounding cringe. ChatGPT delivered multiple caption variations with creative options and flexibility. But Claude generated a cleaner, more polished caption that felt authentic, relatable, and ready to post instantly. For natural social media writing and tone, Claude takes the win. Real productivity test. Plan my entire day for maximum productivity as a content creator working 10 hours daily. ChatGPT delivered a fully optimized workflow, deep work blocks, editing sessions, and content planning. Claude response felt too general and lacked a clear execution structure, so the winner is ChatGPT. Who feels more human? Describe loneliness in 1 sentence. Both ChatGPT and Claude delivered deeply emotional and human-like responses that felt genuine and relatable. This round was too close to call. Seems like it was a tie. Emotional intelligence test. Write a message to motivate someone who feels like they failed in life. ChatGPT delivered a supportive and motivational response with clear encouragement and positivity. Claude's response felt surprisingly real and deeply human, especially with its 2 different emotional modes that connected on a more personal level. So the winner is Claude for emotional depth and authenticity. Final verdict. ChatGPT thinks like an operator. Claude thinks like a human understanding. The smartest creators in 2026. Use both based on the requirement.